Okay, so this is 9136.
Just 2 bathrooms,
So
right?
this is a small bedroom. Get
That's the
down
master
here.
bathroom.
And that's a closet, right?
Yeah, this
Okay.
one is the bathroom.
Linen closet.
So 3 bedrooms.
The water heater.
You have to fix that.
I'm not sure what this is.
Yeah, but this, you have to fix the
But
floor. Yeah.
oh,
This is going outside.
floor is cracked. Door needs to be changed. There's a shed. All right.
The ceiling.
Ceiling.
You have a, this is
Attic.
attic.
Paint all around. Okay.
Bathroom.
Bathroom. His and her sinks. Mirror. Everything. Tub needs to be either replaced or redone.
Painted. Oh, by the way, you don't even have to do this. You can just paint it and take off the top and
Change the handles.
Change this and use it. Put it. It's still pretty solid. So you can always,
This is
Yeah.
second small bedroom. Closet. There.
It needs a door.
Needs a door for the small bedroom.
And then here's another closet. Needs a door.
Linen closet.
Needs a door.
Needs a door. This is a separate entrance. Is this the front door that you came through?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a door outside.
So this is the entryway. Here. 2 residents, current tenants. They'll start paying rent soon. This is one of the returns for the HVAC system. Living room. Yeah, 50, right?
Yeah.
Yep. That's
I'll
what.
give the numbers with you, and it'd be nice. It'd be a nice house.
That's what I was looking at. That's what I was thinking too. Hearth. These shaky. Oh, all right. I gotta fix that. Electrical. This is completely gut. You say new kitchen? What'd you say for the kitchen about?
I'd say kitchen, 10,000. That's new cabinets, new tops.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then appliances, I put 3,000.
Okay.
That's all new.
Yep.
Stainless.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I put windows 6,000, floors 8,000. Which you can get.
Because all the floors need
Yeah,
to.
you can get some good flooring for 8.
Mhm.
You can't get the very expensive stuff,
Right.
but you can get good stuff.
Right.
Okay. I put paint 3,000.
Mm-hmm.
I put appliances 3,000. The lights, all ceiling fans and lights,
Yep.
2.5. You can probably do it for 2.
Okay.
Doors, all new interior and exterior doors. I put 4,000. Bathrooms, I put 10,000 because you got that thing needs totally redone. That one you might as well pull it out and do another one. It might as well be new.
Yeah.
And then bathrooms, kitchen, I put 10,000 with cabs. That's tops and cabs. 46.5.
Okay.
So I'm saying 50.
Yep.
I probably forgot some stuff, but I know the number's not 30.
Right.
You could do it for 30 and get by. I'm trying to just line it all out. And these prices are going to be kind of close.
Yeah. No. You're probably closer. It's probably closer to 50 than 30.
But
Yeah.
at that point, then you got a nice house.
Right.
I mean, everything's looking new.
But what are the comps in the area about at that total?